Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn the backlit on your keyboard. So if you notice, Apple has replaced the manual adjustment with the do not disturb and dictation keys. So here, if you're wondering how to do it, if you go and Spotlight search keyboard brightness, you'll see that it just brings up your settings menu, which is not helpful at all. It does not help. The way you manually adjust your keyboard is you go under here, under your control center, keyboard brightness, and like that. Because the auto, as you can see, I'm in a really dark kind of room, and the auto brightness for some reason does not work very well.